The commercial loan process explained every single step from application to funding your loan. And obtaining financing for commercial real estate project can seem overwhelming if you've never been through the process. So whether you're buying an investment property or acquiring an owner occupied building or refinancing your existing loan or funding a development project, understanding how commercial lending works will help you eliminate surprises and position you for success. Now, unlike residential mortgages, commercial loans are individually underwritten based on the borrower's financial strength, the property's performance, and the overall risk of the transaction. So, knowing what lenders do evaluate and when can significantly improve your chances of receiving better loan terms and also closing on time. And at CommLoan, we help simplify the process by connecting borrowers with more than 700 commercial lending sources, which gives clients access to financing solutions that many individual banks just simply cannot provide. So let's walk through the complete commercial loan process. Step number one, initial consultation and a pre-qual. And every successful commercial loans begins with a conversation. And during our initial consultation, your capital advisor, me, will discuss with you what the property type is and whether it's a purchase or refinance and what your objectives are, but also your business goals and your experience level, estimated loan amount, your available equity, your credit profile, and your timeline. The objective here is to identify the financing programs and the best fit for your project before investing time with the actual lenders. Now, step two is we're going to go through a financial review. And lenders will evaluate both the property and the borrower. And some of the typical documentation that we'll have to collect ahead of time is your personal financial statement and a schedule of real estate owned or an SREO, personal tax returns and business tax returns, but also organizational documents and a bank statements, your rent roll, your operating statements, a T12 financial statement, and some property photos. And providing complete documentation early will keep the loan process moving. And step number three is loan structuring. And not every loan is built the same. And depending on your objectives, your advisor may recommend, say, a conventional commercial loan, or an SBA 7A, or an SBA 504, or maybe a bridge loan, or a DCR loan, or an agency multifamily loan, or construction financing, or CMBS financing, or portfolio loan, or life company financing. My point is that choosing the correct loan structure often will save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Step number four is lender matching. And one of the biggest advantages of working with CommLoan is gaining access to hundreds of lenders. So instead of submitting your loan to a single bank, your financing package can be matched with the lenders that actually do specialize in the project type that you're wanting to purchase and the loan you're looking to obtain. So whether that's multifamily or office or retail or industrial or medical or self-storage or hospitality or manufactured housing or mixed use or even special purpose properties. And the result is often more approvals with better rates and higher leverage and faster closings. But most importantly, more financing options. Step number five is the actual underwriting. So after we've selected a lender, then the formal underwriting process is going to begin. And the lender is going to dive deeper into your cash flow, your net operating income or an NOI, or your debt and your debt service coverage ratio or DSCR, but also the occupancy and the property condition and your liquidity and your global cash flow and your management experience and your market conditions and your exit strategy. And this is the stage where the majority of the loan decisions are actually made. Step number six is we're going to order third-party reports. And most commercial loans are going to require independent reports, which likely will include a property appraisal and an environmental assessment or a phase one, but maybe a property condition report, a survey when required in your state, and a title commitment and a flood certification. And these reports really protect both the lender as well as you, the borrower. Step number 7 is loan approval and commitment. So once underwriting is complete, the lender is going to issue a commitment or a loan approval, which is going to outline the confirmed interest rate and loan amount and amortization and the loan term and the prepayment provisions, and the required reserves and any remaining closing conditions. And this allows borrowers to review final loan terms before moving forward to closing. And step number 8 is the fun one, the actual closing. And during closing, you're executing loan documents and title transfers if there's a purchase, and your insurance needs to get verified, and your closing costs will get finalized. And then your funds are prepared for disbursement. And a coordinated closing team will help ensure a smooth transaction. Step number 9, the funnest one, is the funding. Congratulations. Once all your closing conditions have been satisfied, your loan proceeds get wired, the sellers get paid, and existing loans are refinanced, and construction escrows are funded, and your project finally begins. So let's talk about some common mistakes that could delay commercial loans. And many delays are avoidable. And some common issues include missing documentation or incomplete financial statements or unrealistic property valuations or poor communication or waiting too long to order third-party reports or choosing the wrong lender. And working with an experienced commercial mortgage advisor helps avoid these costly mistakes. So why work with CommLoan? Well, commercial lending isn't just about finding a loan. It's about finding the right loan. And through the CommLoan Empower program, borrowers just like you will gain access to over 700 different commercial lenders. And that results in competitive financing solutions with a nationwide lending platform matched with expert capital advisors and the right banks, with multiple financing options and financing for virtually every commercial property type. So whether you're purchasing or refinancing or expanding your portfolio, understanding the commercial loan process will give you a significant advantage. Are you ready to finance your next property? Well, every commercial property and every borrower is unique. And working with an experienced commercial mortgage advisor like myself can help ensure that you're matched with the financing solution that best supports your investment strategy. So whether you're buying your first investment property or refinancing a large commercial portfolio, CommLoan helps simplify the process from application to funding. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching. You can visit my website, billrapp.commloan.com. You can schedule a consultation so we can have a conversation, and I look forward to that. You take care.